What's up guys, it's Nikita. Welcome back to Radio Shan. Today we're going to talk about those slang terms that you absolutely have to know in the 2021, and if you wanted to increase your vocabulary a little bit, then continue watching this video till the end and also listen carefully.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So let's get started with the phrase number 1, and this is a lit. When something is exciting and something you are really enjoying, you can say lit. Instead of saying this party is exciting and this party, I love this party, you can say this party is lit. And this term is used by an American, and I use all the time when I'm think something is cool. The next phrase is God, and you might be think that animal, but no. Here's God is used as an acronym. Acronym means take the first letter of the phrase, and the phrase is here. God means greatest of all the time. For example, you can say, Nikita, this video is God. It means Nikita, this video is the greatest of all the time, and I don't be offended if you say to me. The next term is snatched. Again, when something's happened cool, especially for the outfit. For example, her dress is snatched. Salty. Of course, you can say when some food has a lots of salt, you can say salty. But if you want to be more cool, and you can use salty word with a different meaning, which means when somebody sad for something. For example, he is sad for something and she is sad for something, and I am salty because I had to cancel my trip. Fit. The next term is used to the different meaning in the Great Britain and the US. In the Great Britain, we are mostly used for this word, like who has a beautiful complex and who just looking good looking. We called it fit. And US people fit word used for the for mostly outfit. For example, your outfit was beautiful at the party. That, of course, you know how to use this word, but it has a positive meaning. If you want it to be used as a slang term, then you can use you are that. When something is really funny and you've been laughing all day, then you can use this term, that. Fire. This term is used to lots of Americans to describe something is outstanding, like this party was a fire, and this movie was fire, and this video was fire. Loki is used to be described there is something happening in a quiet way. I'm giving an example. Suppose I'm throwing a birthday party of 10 people, and I'm telling guys I'm gonna give it a low key. For example, I'm just sitting together and drink Coca-Cola, and just a small party. It's a low key party. And high key birthday party means when I invite the dancer and I make a work fire and I invited hundreds of the people. There is high key birthday party. Slay. Slay means this is used to be described when you succeed or when you doing well on something. For example, I slay this test. It means I'll do well in this test. Savage. This word we used to be described as a shocking event and the careless attitude. For example, he borrowed my car and drove it into a house, and it completely crashed. And he also didn't apologize for it. It's shocking and it's savage. Shady. Shady means he is doing something sneaky action on the background and you don't understand the person truly. For example, somebody is offering a rent of a 5-bedroom apartment only 5,000 per month, and you know, a 5-bedroom apartment approximately started with the 10,000 to 35,000. It means this totally shady person, and this deal is a shady, and it could be a scam also. Last on the list is stain. Stain, when somebody is following you everywhere and send weird emails, that means that person is a stain. And further example, when somebody is a fan of something, then also we can use the stain. For example, I'm a fan of a baseball stain. It means I'm a greatest fan of baseball, and that was not true. I am a fan of badminton. That was you guys from today, and thank you so much for subscribing my channel and watching my every single video, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.